welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this eye makeup, and it like for a really long time I just wanted to try out something extremely different and play with different colors, and so I thought, why not I do something very unusual of that. I mean, this is not really my style. I haven't tried playing with colors before, but right now I am like kind of experimenting with a lot of colors and a lot of different types of eye makeups. So I just decided that why not I just create some look and play with colors and make a tutorial on it and show you guys how to do it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Tanusree and I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Without much delay, let's get started. So I'm starting this off with a concealer. It's from Maybelline Fit Me and in the shade of 40. Since I have very zitty dark circles, so I really have to apply 2 to 3 layers of concealer. So before applying foundation, here I'll be applying a layer of concealer. So I'm taking this foundation from Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and it's really high coverage foundation. So I'll be taking just 2 to 3 drops in the back of my hand, and like 2 to 3 drops are really fine for me because this is a high coverage one, and if you guys need more you can take more, but I don't really like wasting products, so I'll be keeping it minimum. So I've taken a wet beauty sponge, and this step is extremely crucial because your entire base makeup depends on this, and you really have to blend your makeup well. So beauty sponge is a must, and blending makeup is the key. Always remember that. As I told you that I'll be applying layers of concealers in this, so I'm taking the same concealer and again I'm applying it on my eyelids because I'll be applying eyeshadow after this, so I really have to make it less oily, and I really have to make sure that it's at par with my skin color. So this is my today's eyeshadow palette, and oh my god, it's my absolute favorite one. It's a very recent purchase and it has so many beautiful colors and I'm obsessed with it. Take a flat brush and draw a straight line on the outer corner of your eye, and then take a fluffy brush to smudge it. You really have to blend your eyeshadow well over here. You just smudge it and then draw a line towards the inner corner of your eye, and you really have to be very careful during this step because your blending will be dependent on how you are doing this. So be a little more careful and patient because this takes a really long time, and with practice you'll be able to do a lot better. Next, I've taken a yellow eyeshadow and I'm applying it on the top of my red eyeshadow, and you really have to blend it pretty well because you have to make sure that there's no harsh lines, otherwise it will look very awkward. So I've taken the concealer again, and now I am taking the flat brush to dab it on my eyelid. You have to blend it really well before applying the next layer of eyeshadow. I have taken the same red eyeshadow, but just see the color difference. Just blend and blend. You have to blend really well because otherwise the harsh lines will show, and as I said that there's no definite formula to it. You just have to be very subtle and soft while blending. For my lower lash line, I have mixed the blue and the green eyeshadow together, and just blend it really well. I'm not a huge fan of baking, so I'm just taking this powder from Maybelline and I'm just dabbing it on my face to absorb that extra oil. I'm gonna use a flat brush to line my lips with this lip color, and then I'm gonna use the lipstick directly to dab it on my lips.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have liked my video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and please if you have time, do subscribe to my channel. It's for free. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and bye.